Howdy, y'all. It's your boy D-Racka. Or should I say, Pussy Slayer 69. Coming back at you with my 2001 7.3 Power Stroke. And since the last time I've talked to you guys, I have done some extreme modifications. Such as ran-align my hood. 'Cause fucking tank, that's why. Fucking put on some 35-inch pussy-getting motherfucking tires. Because those 33s weren't sufficient enough. Fucking, my tow mirrors are out. Or in, actually. Fuck. They're in. Wanna know why? Because I realized you don't need those fuckers out when you're towing fucking anything. Look at all that mirror. Fuck. Fucking extreme racing mod. I have a fucking toolbox back here now. Shit.